Hi, I'm Jared Sannon with Appliance Factory. Welcome to the Appliance Corner. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of key differences between the direct drive washer and the belt-driven washer. We have a couple of models here. This is our belt drive. This is our direct drive. The key difference between them is the motors. The belt drive, you have your belt here. You have your motor down here that propels the belt. And so the power goes from the motor to the belt, to the pulley, to the washer. And then on our direct drive, a much simpler setup, in essence. This is your motor. It's the rotor and stator. It's connected directly to the washer. And so there are less moving parts and less noise, less vibration. And let me show you what that motor looks like. This is the inside. You've got your rotor and your stator. It's basically a ring lined with magnets and an electric coil that sends signals to the magnets. And as you can see, it holds it pretty tight. And there is no direct connection between the magnets and the electrical, and that creates less noise, less vibration, less wear and tear on the machine. You're able to get higher RPMs with the direct drive, and the direct drive switches directions very, very easily. And so it goes, this way to tumble, and it's a lot easier on the machine. Your belt driven, the motor propels the belt, propels the pulley. It also switches from directions, left and right, goes back and forth. The maintenance on a belt drive is a little bit cheaper. The belt is usually what goes out first. The motor will usually last you quite a long time. The belt drive is louder. It's got more moving parts, and so there's more vibration. When you have a heavy load and it shifts this way to that way, it will jostle a little bit more. But it is cheaper to service because you pop off the back panel, the parts are right here. Your direct drive will last longer. It's smoother running, but you do have to dismantle the entire motor to be able to service anything. The belt drive washer is a little bit cheaper on the initial cost, but it will run you a bit higher in energy costs. The direct drive motor, it's going to cost you a little bit more initially, but you will save money long term in the electrical usage that you have. And so this is just a couple of key differences between our belt drive and our direct drive motors, and we offer both varieties in our stores, and we'd be more than welcome to show you all about them. Thank you for your time, and you guys have a nice day.